are going to do some meal prep. It's that time again, meal prep time. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is get some soup on in the Instant Pot. This is just gonna simmer. Oh, there's my soup, it's ready. So I'm just gonna let this simmer here for probably a good 20-25 minutes and just get all fused together and incorporated, and then I am going to box it up, and when I'm ready to serve it, I'll just warm it up and serve it over zoodles. Alright y'all, I just realized I did something wrong. I was making this beef stroganoff ahead of time, so I was going to add my sour cream right before I served it, but I didn't. I put it in now. So I like to put it in right before I serve it. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know how it works out this way. It is what it is at this point, right? Those look good. Yum. Yum. Y'all, tell me those aren't perfect. Those are so pretty. And this actually did alright too. So that part of meal prep done. market. Lovely. Let's find another outlet. Alright, let's try this. This is the first time I've tried freezing the cheese and then doing it later because I bought too much. It's like really crumbly and it's not doing like it normally would. I don't suggest freezing it and then shredding it. But it is what it is. We're gonna use it. We gotta use it up. That was a mess. All right, y'all. Sorry. All right, what I'm gonna do is put some of that cheese straight into this soup while it's still hot to melt, and then the rest will go in a bag and we will use it up. We'll still use it. Try not to cut my fingers off getting some of this cheese. I also don't recommend putting in frozen broccoli. Maybe thaw it a little bit next time. I don't know. This has like, the cream cheese is still like in little balls. It didn't totally dissolve. So, I mean, that's not gonna hurt the taste or anything, but maybe it was that big block of frozen big block of frozen spinach that I put in here. Real life. Real life, y'all. It's another one of those weeks. Put the sour cream in when I shouldn't have. The soup isn't turning out exactly like I wanted it to. There's like little balls of cream cheese in there still. It's not gonna hurt anything. But last week I made basically the same soup and this didn't happen at all. Learn not to freeze cheese. So learned a lesson. It's just like, it's not shredded, it's crumbled. So I'm still gonna put this in a baggie and we will still use it. I'm not wasting it. But I don't recommend freezing the cheese. I don't know, I've never done that. I just assumed, ugh, mess. I just assumed it would work, never done it. Oh well. Beef stroganoff. Out of this really well with it being buttered, but I really want to buy some of those little silicone things that go in here so it doesn't get as dirty and it's that much easier to clean. Although truthfully my dishwasher does a pretty good job, so I don't know, maybe for Christmas I'll put that on my list. It's one of those things that would be really handy, but do you spend the money on it because it's not necessary, right?
Hey y'all, helping with meal prep today. Making buffalo dip.
I make it every week, so.
Weekly staple now. Found it because of the hurricane.